Patch was created because we heard from so many customers that they struggle with patch compliance with their existing tools. Oftentimes, they don't even know what patches they are missing, and they're unable to reliably deploy patches. For example, a local city government with aggressive patching policies thought they were doing a great job at applying 100% of their patches. Unfortunately, SCCM was configured so that only non-critical patches were being deployed. So the city had no idea that they were missing all those patches from Microsoft. Tanium was used to highlight and remediate this problem. You see, Tanium Patch enables customers to achieve patch compliance through accurate patch visibility and rapid remediation, all with minimal infrastructure and administrative load. Tanium is a platform built upon a unique architecture that allows us to gather data from endpoints and to take action with incredible speed and scale. Patch leverages this platform to detect and install missing patches across Windows, Red Hat, and CentOS. The Patch homepage provides dashboards and metrics for patch health for your endpoints. We display critical information such as scan age, outstanding patches, as well as patch compliance information. For Windows endpoints, we provide 3 different scanning methods. The first method uses the offline CAB file, which is a catalog of security updates for all Microsoft products. We deliver the CAB file to the endpoints and tell the Windows Update to scan using that file. Using the CAB file requires no additional infrastructure. Additional scanning methods include WSUS, as well as scanning against Microsoft Update Online. For Red Hat and CentOS computers, we can use repository scanning, as well as Tanium Scan. Tanium Scan uses the platform architecture to gather repository metadata to scan the endpoints, eliminating the need for repository or satellite servers. We also provide scan errors. So when endpoints are scanning and they run into a problem, we return these errors back to the console to allow your operators to know which endpoints need intervention. Patch information is collected and brought to the console. Patch data includes such items such as applicability count, severity, and we even provide CVE information. Armed with this data, we can deploy individual patches or dynamic lists of patches based upon rule sets, such as critical patches from last month, or say the WannaCry patches. Deployments can be one-time scheduled deployments, or it can be an ongoing, which allows us to do patch automation across the enterprise. Deployments can also be configured to notify the user and allow them to postpone the required reboot. Active deployments also provide near real-time status information so you can determine if any endpoints need intervention before the maintenance window closes. Additionally, we provide workflows for blacklists as well as configuring maintenance windows for your computer groups. Tanium Patch provides centralized reporting and rapid remediation of patching for an organization's entire estate.